Welcome to Trickeys kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Trickey is preparing these spicy and crispy breaded chicken breasts. Thin sliced chicken breasts are tenderized, coated in the flour mixture, covered in breadcrumbs and fried well, creating a delicious golden crust. This is a recipe that kids would love cooking and eating, and the chicken is guaranteed to disappear almost immediately. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the marination of the chicken. The ingredients for the first coating, that's the flour coating. And the ingredients for the second coating, which is the breadcrumbs coating. The method. Cut the chicken breasts horizontally from one side to the other, leaving the opposite side intact so that it opens like a book. Now repeat for the remaining chicken breasts. Now cover the chicken breasts in plastic wrap. Pound and flatten to an even thickness of between 1/4 to a 1/2 inch thick. Now repeat for the remaining chicken breasts. We're moving on to the next stage, that is preparing the marination mixture. So add in the listed ingredients to a small mixing bowl. That's the salt, chili powder and pepper powder. Sprinkle the mixture that we just prepared over the chicken. Drizzle some lemon juice over it. Pat and rub it in. Then turn over and repeat. And set aside to marinate when done for 1 hour. The next stage, preparing the flour coating. So add in all the listed ingredients to a shallow dish. That's the plain flour, mixed herbs, chili powder, garlic powder, pepper powder and salt. Mix well. Now coat the marinated chicken in the flour mixture. Coat it really well. Then dip in egg on both sides. Dredge in breadcrumbs on both sides. Pat to make it stick. Then set aside on a plate and repeat the previous step and coat the remaining chicken breasts. Place them one on top of the other on the same plate. When ready to fry, heat oil in the deep frying pan. Add in the chicken. Fry on both sides until golden brown and well cooked. Then remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Similarly, repeat the previous step and fry the remaining chicken pieces. And drain off the excess oil on a kitchen towel. Lastly, serve immediately while still hot with potato wedges, fresh salad and lemon slices, or you can use it as a filling for hamburger bun sandwiches. And there you have it, spicy and crispy breaded chicken breasts, a recipe that kids would love cooking and eating. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickeys Kitchen has lots of other chicken recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.